Guys, this is Jessica from A Girl with the Math Tattoo. So what I have for you guys today is how to create digital worksheets as well as digital workbooks for free. So the idea here is that you already have the worksheet, the notebook, whatever it is on your computer. If you don't and you only have physical copies, make sure you scan them as PDFs into your computer first. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to use pdfescape.com. The reason why we use these guys is they're super easy. They're also free, which are my favorite. So I always use this option here on the left, the free online. So if you go to pdfescape.com, we click free online. And if you would like, you can create your own worksheets in here, but I highly suggest doing that outside of this program and then uploading them into here to make them digital. So upload PDF to PDF Escape, that's the option we're going to use. And then it has the upload file box. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our pre-scanned PDFs or already download PDFs. And the one that I'm going to use here is a video response worksheet. So this is a file from my computer. Google Drive files also work, just FYI. You can upload the URL in here as well. So here is my video response worksheet. So this was used in a physical classroom after students would watch any kind of video. It's kind of generic response worksheet that I would tweak depending on what we were doing. Okay, so pretty standard name of video, you know, all this stuff. Okay, but how do I make this digital? So what if I wanted to send this out to my students in Google Classroom, have them fill it out and turn it back into me? Let's say their assignment is to watch a video on or watch Imitation Game or something like that, and then they have to fill this out and give it back to me, and they would get credit that way. So how to do that? So we use this form field right here, and there's many different options. So you can use text. What I use text, paragraph, the checkbox, and the drop down options. So let me explain each. Text is just if you want them to type like their name or the name of the video, just a simple sentence. Text paragraph, obviously it's a paragraph, it's a little longer. And then the drop-down menu is really nice because you can actually create multiple choice problems. So if you're like, well, the answer is either A, B, or C, you can make a drop-down menu that says A, B, or C, and your students can click the drop-down menu there. So that one's really nice. So for right now, we're going to use text, select, and well, whatever I want them to fill in, I'll make boxes. So I want them to fill in their name. I want them to tell me the name of the video. If for some reason they totally forgot what they were doing. With 5 interesting facts you learned from this video. So for that, what I want to do is I want to switch to text paragraph. And A will all be one text paragraph. B will all be, same thing, a whole text paragraph. C, D, you kind of get the gist of what I'm doing here, right? Okay. So I'm not going to do it all. So same thing, we could do a text paragraph here, text paragraph here, text paragraph here, blah, 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 blah. Now, draw a picture of the most significant visual image for this video. That can be totally up to you. There is a way that you can put in a kind of freehand draw here. Or you can take things like this entirely out, right? Because, you know, translating from physical to digital, not everything's going to translate, unfortunately. But for everything else, there is. So let's suppose we're done now. So then I would just go here. I would click the Save and Download PDF. It would ask me where it is that I want to save it. Well, here is good. And here it is. I have it. And then what I could do with this is I could attach it into my Google Classroom as an assignment. My students fill it out. See, all of these boxes are form fillable. Oops, let me trash that. Let me get out of form filled. Let me go back to the text. So the students will get it like this, and they'll put their name in, you know, the name of the video. Oops, light pipe. And so they'll fill it in just like this, and then they'll send it back to you, and you'll have a totally digital experience, no more paper, okay? So let me, if you have any questions on this, you can put them in the discussion or below this video. Let me know, and I'd be happy to answer them for you. I hope this helps.